Approaching winds and continuous clouds around lightning territory with this storm. Means indoors activity. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.